We are in Puyallup.
What are we watching?
We're watching this cargo train passing by. That is fantastic. How you could
Are we a little too close to the train?
very much close.
Is there a possibility we could be hurt?
Yes, of course. If they would be derailed, if it would be derailed, Puyallup, then we
What's
will
that
be
mean? We'd
Then
be
we will-
history.
we will be killed.
We would be history.
Yeah. But you know, this is one thing here in the US. The train track, the railways are very close to the
Roads.
roads.
The cars.
In Europe, they're really separated the ways.
Yeah.
Railways.
Yeah.
They're in the forest somewhere,
Yeah.
not in the middle. They don't pass in the middle of the city.
Yeah.
And if it does pass passenger ones, yes, but they have their own railway station, train station,
Well,
and it's far away from the highways and the freeways.
highways and the byways.
Yeah. And they're separated from the freeways. Look at that. That is a long way. Oh,
Long
it's
train.
finished.
You want to say goodbye to everybody?
Bye, Philippines, or goodbye,
Have a great
world.
day.
Have a great day, great Sunday here.
Bye.